Now what I want to do is, instead of have these random products on the homepage, I want to actually display my collections that I have just set up. So what I'm going to do is delete this section for now by hovering over the featured collection section and then clicking the trash icon here. And now I'm going to add a collection list. So to add the new section, let's click on Add Section right here. And then here we can choose from different types of sections. I'm going to scroll down to the collections and I'm going to choose the collection list grid. And this will insert this collection list where we can display our different categories. So first, let's choose the collections we want to display here by clicking on this collection list. And then under collections, let's click select and then choose the collections we want to display. So I'm going to display the shirts, the sweaters, and the jackets. And this will add our collection images and also display the collection name here on the top left. Visitors can now just click into any of these collections to get to the collection page that they have clicked on. So now it has redirected us to the default collection page here. So let's go back to the home page. And to be honest, I don't really like this header shop by collection, but I can simply remove it by hovering over it right here and then clicking on the trash icon. Next, I would like to feature a few special products directly here on the homepage. I've already added my new arrivals collection. So what I'm going to do now is add a featured collection just below this section here. So let's click on Add Section again right here on the left. And this time, let's scroll down to Products. And here we have some different options. What I'm going to do is choose the Featured Collection Carousel. Then let's go ahead and choose our featured collection. So let's head over to this featured collection and then select and then choose the new arrivals collection. So now all of the products that are in this collection will be displayed right here on the homepage, and people can also scroll through by clicking on this arrow right here to see more products. Let's go ahead and save our changes and then go back to the section overview. So I'm pretty happy with how my homepage looks. We have this hero section at the top, we have our different collections, and then we have some featured products below. Now, obviously, we could go ahead and add even more sections to our homepage. We could just click on Add Section here and then check out all the different ways that we can display our products, display our collections, or even just add some text to our homepage or FAQs, basically whatever you want. So take some time to go through these and maybe you'll find something that you want to have on your homepage.